a rich man's world. I have turned the
That's a PB. We're gonna do a challenge. See how fast trickers can solve a Rubik's Cube. If they beat me, they get 20 euros. If none of them beat me, then I get to keep it. Contestant number 1, Sagi. This is really funny. Whoa, what was it?
30 seconds. Oh my god, this is gotta be hard to beat.
Can't lose it on the first one. We have our next contestant, Optimal.
Okay, I'm not good at all. I think maybe 2 minutes. Okay.
I have to try and beat your score.
You're so good.
Okay, so we have our next contestant. What's your name?
Aaron.
Aaron. The fastest score so far is 1 minute.
Alright. I'll see how it goes. I don't think so. I had like one more spin to go.
What'd you get?
25.
So what's your name? Noah. We have Noah. He's our next contestant.
Is it some 1 minute?
Why? I want that. I want it. $26. Slow start. That's the work.
What's up, guys? I think I've touched one of these like 3 times in my life. I don't even think I can solve like one.
Jesse can't even mix it up. He can't even.
Yeah. I think we're
He's
ready.
happy.
Come on, boy, you got this.
Yeah.
Yep.
Bruh, I do not understand. That's insane. I don't even understand. How long do you practice this stuff? Like,
I used to do it all the time before I started tricking, and then just kind of stopped. But trying to keep it going, trying to keep it under 30. Contestant, we got Devon. Oh, not last.
Not last,
Not
dude.
last.
Let's go.
It's a PB.
What on earth did I...
That's a PB. 14 seconds. We got Tiki Woo. I'm actually scared this time. It's so confident.
dude, this is such a loose cube, bro. I'm gonna fuck up.
Ready?
Good, man.
There you go.
So bad.
I know too.
So bad. Wait, let me retry. Stupid cube, I do a lot better.
$45. Okay.
What's your PB?
It's like
Your 40 a second ago?
5.
My PB was 20.
think-
I never got sub 20.
I think I've had sub 20 average.
Damn, I'm pretty good.
36.
That's not too bad, man. You happy with that? Pretty happy with that. Yeah, I need to go warm up now. Yeah. Yeah, good luck.
There we go, cheeky move. He's pretty quick. We're going to try and get Mattis tomorrow. Okay, so we have our final contestant, Mattis. What do you reckon you're going to get?
39.
You have to beat Tiki though.
There's no way I'm beating T.
No, dude. If you beat Bowie,
I can't. I'm telling you, it's gonna be like 69 seconds. I need another try.
okay, so that's try one. You should have seen Tiki. You would not believe it. His hands were proper trembling.
This is probably the first time solving a Rubik's Cube after 1 year break.
$27. This is a good rivalry, Miro. Yeah, you beat Tiki. Oh, you lost! There you go, Miro.
Thanks. Whoa!
We're really knocking Tiki down the rankings here.
Oh, he's been dethroned.
He has. You're too relaxed.
Acting.
Okay.
You do this, just hold it down till it goes green. Then you go.
Antec. I reckon Antec's our champion.
A rich man's world.